Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use GoDaddy email in Gmail. So at first head over to your Gmail account, and at the top right you're going to go into settings, and then it's going to say something called accounts and import. Click on that one, and then in the check email from other accounts you're going to click on add a POP3 account that you own, and then a window will pop up, and then it's going to ask you to add the email address. So add your GoDaddy email. After that it's going to ask you to the following form. So you're going to put your username, which is your full email address, including the domain part after the @ symbol, the entire of it, and then the pop server is as it shows here, pop.secureserver.net. And if you're using cPanel user, then your pop server should be this one. Just copy it, and your port should be 995, and then make sure leave a copy of received message. This is unchecked, and then check the always use SSL box, and then check the label incoming message, and then leave on archive incoming messages unchecked, and then click on add account. And basically this is it, and just do it like this. And for like sending email back on the accounts, all you need to do is head over to Gmail and click on send mail as, and then click on add another email that you own. From there you're going to fill up the forms as SMTP will be this one, and if you're using cPanel then this one, and if you're from Asia, Europe, then these will be for yours. And then your port should be 465, and then secured connection using SSL, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.